My back basement steps is one big ice slide board. Can you imagine? I want to get on it. I want to get on the sled and try it, but I don't think Pops would like that. Yep, it's very tempting.
I but I wasn't satisfied with the job he did.
3 inches of solid ice.
Well, I can get a trash can and go down there if you get kept there.
He just couldn't resist. I told him he can't shovel, so I'm gonna let him do a few shovels, and then he's gonna stop because he's determined that he has got to do something. See this man? He's hard-headed. He's very hard-headed. 82 years old. Look at him. Very hard-headed. I can't stop him.